So I made a couple of UV filters. They still have some bubbles in them. I need to improve the process for removing the bubbles by sonication. I thought that the temperature was going to make them go away. This is a filter made of basically polyvinyl alcohol, an iron salt, an iron complex actually, and a plastifier. Let's see how this works. So this is a 400 nanometer laser, kind of almost UV laser. And let's see. So this is from the front, you can see the laser, and this is from the back. You cannot see, you see only slightly green. I don't want to point the laser directly to the camera, but you see that there's almost no violet light going through the filter. And now this is in front of an illuminator I have made. So this is with the purple lights. This is blue, green. Now you see it is much more transparent to green. And this is red. And with the lights off, you can see now the camera will become more sensitive. So you can see like the purple on the outside, and it is only green, yellow on the material. Blue is more or less the same effect. Green, it is much more transparent to green. You can see that. And also to red. So this is a good filter, an UV filter for my fluorescence experiments, where I want to pick up the red fluorescence, but I want to suppress the background purple light. These are the kind of pictures that I want to take, for which I need to filter out all the blue and purple light.